Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel English Conversation with Priya. In this video, I am going to talk about such an important topic that how to overcome your shyness. Something that when I know the answer, I want to speak but I can't deliver my thoughts, I can't deliver my feelings properly because of my shyness and anxiety. Initially, I used to struggle massively with shyness, and that is the biggest problem in my life. I didn't to speak anybody. That's why I would never ever like to speak in English, although I wanted to. At the same point, I acknowledge that if I get rid this shyness, then I can grab more opportunities to speak in English. And other interesting event is when I spoke with my family member, I didn't feel shy. But when I was going to speak with any other people or any other stranger, I felt shy because I couldn't leave my comfort zone. In this video, I am going to share with you some tips that actually helped me to overcome my shyness, and I hope which are absolutely helped you to overcome your shyness. First of all, I would like to say you come out from your comfort zone and open out yourself as much as possible. Talk with your friends or other people where you feel comfortable, where no one can judge you. Split out your sigh, your fear, and when you are speaking, always try to maintain eye contact face to face, not like this. It's very necessary to overcome your shyness. The next point is try to acknowledge your shyness in the beginning. That is going to give you the sense of relief. If you are in public place and you feel shy to speak with anyone, you micromanage everything in your head. You are filtering every thought that you have, and you are overthinking so much that you get analysis paralysis. So even if you are in any social situation, you get stuck in your head to think about everything you are going to say, and you are like, oh, I can't say that because that's going to sound stupid. I am going to look weird, and I was just fearful of what everyone thought of me. No, this negative thinking is not going to help you. Tell yourself it's okay that you are going to do it. Even you mess it up. We generally try to degrade ourselves, which are not going to help you to do anything. Using a positive self-talk. Positive self-talk always helped us in a lot of situations. It is going to help you to overcome your shyness. It's basically just a belief system and identity yourself that you have. And we all know practice makes us perfect. Whenever you are required to speak in English, don't run away. Try to face the situation. Initially it's too difficult, but eventually you have a positive attitude and mindset about changes. Let your action speak louder than your words. Now, usually, shyness is something that ends up restricting your freedom. That's all for today. If you like this video, then press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing, and please let me know how did you like this video. I will see you again on next video. Till then, take care. Bye.